Last 18 years, we are waiting for a great day. 18 years of great passion and unwavering dedication. And now the moment has arrived. As our Royal Challengers Bangalore step into the field of final, know the entire state stands behind all of you with pride and belief. Please carry on. This is not just a jersey, but the dream of millions. We are with you. Karnataka is with you. Go bring the trophy home, boys. Karnataka stands on behalf of government. I would like to wish you all the best. The entire Karnataka, millions of people are waiting for the trophy. I hope you bring us. Let us enjoy. Let us wish you all the best. Thank you.
ಇನ್ನು ಡಿ.ಸಿ.ಎಂ ಡಿ.ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ RCB ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಭಿಮಾನವನ್ನು ಮೆರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ರಾಯಲ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಗೆದ್ದು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.